Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my video presentation for CIT 336, and this is the Setting Cookies portions video. So what is a cookie? A cookie is a small file that with the maximum size of 4 kilobytes that the web server stores on the client's computer. Cookies are used to store the information of a web page in a remote browser. When the user comes to back to that page, the information can be retrieved from that browser. So here's some code. This is what an example of to set a cookie looks like. So setCookie is the PHP function used to create the cookie. Cookie name is the name of the cookie that the server will use when retrieving its value from the $cookie array variable. It is mandatory. Cookie value is the value of the cookie, and it is mandatory. Expiration time is optional. It can be used to set the expiration time for the cookie, such as 1 hour. This time is set using PHP time functions plus or minus the number of seconds greater than 0. Cookie path is optional. It can be used to set the cookie path on the server. Domain is optional. It can be used to define the cookie hierarchy, which means like if you have subdomains, you can make it so that cookie is only visible on some domains or on all the domains. Server is optional. Its default is false. It is used to determine whether the cookie is sent via HTTP if it is set to true, or HTTP if it is set to false. HTTP only is optional. If it is set to true, then only client-side server language can access them. If we move on, you can see some of my codes that I have here. So I have a set cookies. I have set cookie function with the username, with calling as the username. The value I have is my name, and then I have it set for a 10-second delay here. And then I have a view which will echo the username, which will come with that, and then I'll have the cookie there. So if we go out of this and go here, you can see here's a code that I have in Visual Code. And you can also see the view here. Now if we go to the browser here and go to localhost, if I set the cookie here, on this page comes blank, and then if I go to the view page, it comes up with the cookie name and the username. It says my name. If we wait about 10 seconds or so, as long as we're talking here, and refresh the page, and then you refresh the page, the cookie expires because you were more than 10 seconds. So in this case, it shows that there's undefined and the cookies has expired because it's more than seconds, so there's no username. So that's my video on setting cookies in PHP. Thank you.